AlgePrime. Struggling with algebra? Learning it just got super easy. AlgePrime brings you a step-by-step algebra video series, making every concept crystal clear. Number 1, easy step-by-step lessons. Didn't get it the first time? Replay and understand instantly. Concepts stay clear. Number 2, real-life applications from daily life to finance. Number 3, simple and clear explanations. Difficult problems turned into simple steps. Perfect for beginners. Number 4, progress tracking. Checkpoints after every lesson so you can see your improvement. Number, unlimited access plus 60-day guarantee. Learn anytime as much as you want, completely risk-free. Don't let algebra feel hard. Master it with AlgePrime. Join now and see algebra through a new prism. Full details in the link or in the description.